Hi, I'm Kunal from Chintagi Healthcare. At Chintagi, we have developed a unique queue management algorithm to solve the crowding problems that happen at the clinics and hospitals. In the last 6 months, we have processed more than 1.5 lakh appointments, saving 8 years worth of wait time. When we started observing the crowding at the vaccination centers, we realized that we have a potential solution that can be adapted and solve the problem um, at all of the vaccination centers. Hence, with this in the mind, we have evolved or modified our algorithms to adapt and solve the vaccination problems. This is the front office system, which can be used from mobile or from their laptop or desktop. At the bottom of the screen, there is a COVID vaccination queue. At the center, the appointments are taken through two channels. One, some of the beneficiaries will register themselves and pick a slot on the CoWIN platform. Two, some of the beneficiaries prefer to do walk-in. When these start happening together, there is a chaos. People do not know how long they have to wait for their turn to arrive. The way we solve the problem is, first, at the center, the staff can download the file from the CoWIN platform and upload it on Chintagi. Once they have uploaded the file, system will use OCR technology to extract the name and the mobile number. All the name and the mobile number are displayed here. On the right hand side, you can see the list of beneficiaries that are successfully extracted from the CoWIN list, beneficiary list. On the left hand side, you can see that if there is any potential error which system has detected, then it will be flagged. You can either correct the name or the mobile number and add them to the right side of the queue. Once you see that all the names and the mobile numbers are correct, the staff can simply click on the Add to Queue button. As they click on the Add to Queue button, all of these beneficiaries are processed and added in the next available slot inside the queue. So you can see that all of these 8 beneficiaries are added in the queue. The front office staff, security or the receptionist can also add any walk-in patients by using their mobile app or the desktop version. Here we will try to add one of the beneficiary in the queue. So you can see I have added the 9th beneficiary, Vinay, in the queue. As the vaccination program starts, the concerned person can click on the play button. Once they click on the play button, every beneficiary is sent a notification or an SMS saying that the vaccination has started and what is their queue position. So if you can see, every person is having a particular queue position. As the people start arriving, they can mark them as present. If the particular person does not arrive, they can mark it as absent. In this way, those who have been marked as absent can be communicated about their state. As the person enters into the vaccination area, the staff can simply mark them as check-in. The positions start moving forward. So the next person in the queue, his turn will start moving ahead. So they can continue to move patients into the queue by marking them as check-in. The subsequent people are marked as complete automatically. There is a mobile app which can be used by the beneficiaries. So those who have a smartphone, they can track their live status on the mobile phone. Even if the person does not have a smartphone, they can always track their status through SMS. The center can decide the threshold for which threshold depending on the waiting area inside the facility, and whenever a person's turn arrives or whenever the person's number reaches the threshold, he or she will be informed that you need to visit the waiting area. Again, all of this can be, so you can see here, this person is informed that they are third in the queue and they need to visit the waiting area. This can be configured for every center depending on their capacity. There are a lot of other features which can be utilized. For example, the queue can be paused if for some reason the vaccination program has been halted, and every person is again informed about the change status. You can see that the queue pause SMS has been triggered to every beneficiary. In this way, we can keep communicating with the beneficiaries in real time without any additional efforts. The vaccination centers can update the slot limits to match with the available doses every single day. In this way, they can only accept the allowed number of people for that particular day. We believe that this solution can be integrated with the CoWIN platform. The Sintagi APIs can be integrated with the CoWIN platform, and the kind of status that you see here can be shown on the CoWIN app itself. So all the beneficiaries know about their live status when they are visiting for vaccination, thus helping them to arrive at the center just in time and reduce the large waiting as well as minimize the crowding. I hope this helps. Thank you.